sir. Good evening.
Evening.
Good evening.
Evening. And how may I help you?
We are looking for one lady who was brought here a few days ago.
Yes.
Doesn't she have a name?
Her name is Chimamanda. And we heard that she has died and we are here to take her body home.
Of course she's dead. And her body has been deposited in the morgue.
Jesus Christ.
Yes.
Sorry, please. Which mortuary, please?
Young man, I am not in the position to tell you where she is. It's either you wait for the DPO or the IPO in charge of her case.
In that case, we shall wait.
Get me that stuff.
Okay, madam. How long are we going to wait here? Is it not better that we go and talk to this woman? Perhaps she can help us.
No, I don't think if she can help us. If she will help us, she could have done that earlier. Let us just wait.
Are you sure?
Let us wait, uncle. Let us wait. Let us wait.
Let us wait.
Okay. Sorry.
Are you still here?
Yes, you said we should wait and we are waiting.
Yes.
Okay, when this matter done too much, when I go outside, in fact, when I come tomorrow, I beg. Okay, man, I go. Man, I come tomorrow. This matter don't talk done too much. They are talk. I beg, man, I go.
We are not living here until we see her body.
If you want to
In
wait,
fact,
you can wait.
we are suspecting she was poisoned.
Yes, yes.
Then wait. Please don't forget to get me that stuff in my office.
You never come out.
Let us go and come back tomorrow.
If we go like that, they will think we are not serious. You don't know this policeman.
I heard that the white man has given her until tomorrow to bring back Amanda dead or alive.
How I wish my sister can forgive me. How I wish Amanda can equally forgive me. How?
I think tomorrow we'll go and report to another police station. Because it's very obvious that the other people are not serious.
Please, have you seen my son? I heard that he was arrested by the white man. Please,
Does the white man live here? Who told you that we know anything about the white man? Look at it.
Dada, please help me. He's my only son, please.
Don't touch me, please. Madam, why are you here to look for your son? Who you gave to Cleo in marriage? Don't you know the road to her house? Hey, madam.
I'm going to Gil's house. That's to be get my nephew so open up for me. Please, do you know the session my son was taken to?
Then you came here because my own compound does not have gate. Okay? You are laughing at me.
Madam, listen. Listen and listen good. Don't come here again to look for your son. Don't come here to mock us again. Go and carry your cross. We are under our own cross. Is that not what you and your son wanted? Is that not what you and your son wanted? Madam, leave this house. Go and carry your cross. We are under our own cross. So leave our house. Madam, I said leave our house.
My son.
Madam, leave this house. Leave this house.
What a greedy woman be. What a selfish human being. Oh, they quite desperate. Anyanya na jobala. She is ready to do anything because of money. Oh, kilo patra, kilo. She not a jump with money.
Wait. My man, are you sure that is our sister that is covered on that very cloth that was lying on the ground?
She's the one now. I wanted to wait. You people were afraid to look.
Hi. Chimamanda. Is it the way you have ended your life? Eh? Why did you have the same ill luck like your mother, my sister? Why? Why?
Oh, Chimamanda. Yeah. Let us go and get a bus and take her body home and bury.
You people are making noise here. Huh? You people are making noise here.
Whoever have a hand in your death will not live to see the end of this year.
Nobody's talking about the money that they used to take care of her.
What are you really talking about? How can you say you are taking care of a body that is not inside?
Do you want to take care of the body by yourself?
In fact, we are going now to take care of that body because we are going for vehicle now. And once we come back, we are carrying the body away. I said we are taking her body away now. Is it for a body that you did not see?
Please let us go and find a boss and come back and say to him now. Let us go. Why are we wasting? No need of wasting time. Let's go.
Wait, so we are making noise, eh?
Making noise. I don't blame you.
Let us go.
She's a dangerous woman. Don't do business with her. You go regret them later. My God, the Panjam Madu. She can do anything as far as money is concerned. She not a jump with money. Anything she wants, she dey go for it, yo.
Where is my special gold ring?
Don, I finally have the identity of the person who stole it, and I've given his picture to the police.
He used to be your fiancé. Now you are talking about another boy.
It's a nuisance. I mean, he's my pet, my sugar boy, my pet. He's the one that stole the...
We see.
He claims he's the son of the senator, Sadebe.
Senator Sadebe, that man is dangerous. I would not want to have any dealings with the son. Do whatever and get back the ring from him.
I swear I'm doing everything I can. I will get it back.
How about the girls?
The girls are safe in the warehouse.
All right. I want them to move to Nero. Just hire a bus and bring them to me for inspection.
Thank you.
She doesn't care at all. If I saw her, what a greedy woman be. What a selfish human being. Oh, they quite desperate. Anyanya na jobala. She is ready to do anything because of money. Oh, kilo patra, kilo. She not a jump with money. She can betrayal of trust and friendship is painful. You have seen that being too nice can be dangerous sometimes. Oh, but don't lose hope. If ever there again.
Why are they running?
And who are they?
They're my relatives.
Oh, okay, I understand. Don't worry, I'll explain everything to you when we get to your house.
Okay.
Was that supposed to be her ghost?
Do I know? Am I a descendant of ghosts? Huh? I don't descend ghosts.
She needs to rest. She needs to be buried so that she can rest. Look, we do not need to run anymore. Let's go back to the mortuary and move her body straight home. Let's go.
No. From the way she was looking at me, it shows me that she is angry with me.
So what do we do now?
I think we should go and invite her father's relatives.
Am I not one of her father's relatives? Huh? Okay, let's go and get a bus so that we can use it to carry her body home for burial. If not, she will continue to torment us like this. So.
I've told you I will not go back there again. If I will go back there, unless we are many, in company of many people.
Where are you going? Go back.
There's no one at home.
I can see.
Thank you so much for your generosity and hospitality. I really appreciate you.
You're welcome.
You said you wanted to tell me something.
Yes. You see, I was paid to poison you.
Jesus Christ.
The very first day I came to interrogate you. But while we were talking, I noticed something. I noticed you have a good heart.
Who paid you to poison me? Cleopatra?
Yes. But I didn't want to hurt you. That was why I took you to my mother's house. You see, everyone believed you were dead. That was why your relatives were running when they saw you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate all you did for me.
But I would advise you leave this village for now. It's not safe here.
Thank you. But I promise you I'll be safe.
Okay, if you say so. I have to take my leave now. You're welcome. You're welcome. Right. Take care.
All right, bye.
Hey, please. Amanda, please don't touch me. Amanda, I tried to come and pay you. Please.
No, what is it? Huh? What's all this? I'm alive. Do I look like a ghost to you? Please stop it and come here.
You're alive?
Yes, I'm alive. Stop this. Meanwhile, where's Uncle?
Chimamanda.
Uncle, I'm alive. Dede, I'm not dead.
You're alive!
Yes, I'm alive.
Hey! Glory be to God. You're alive.
Yes, Dede. I had everything that happened. Yes, they tried, but their plans did not work.
Hey, thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Oh. One white man came here. He was asking about you.
White man?
Yes, he said his name is Pedro. Yes.
Pedro?
Yes.
He's in Nigeria?
Oh, yes.
Dis-moi. No, I'll have to go and look for him.
You have to calm down first.
No, I have to look for Pedro.
Don't go, sit down. Sit down, don't go.
Calm down.
Do you know who Pedro
You
is?
need to calm down first.
Pedro is in town.
Yes.
I need to go and see him.
No, you can't go. You can't go. You need to rest. I believe he will come back again. Besides, there's a war going on between Cleopatra and one dangerous man called Dombi. Yes.
Dombi?
Yes.
He's in Nigeria?
Oh, yes.
Then he must be here for human trafficking.
Hey! Sister, come. She's alive. She's alive. She did not die.
What about the corpse we saw?
She didn't die. Hey! Did we open it? It must have been somebody else's corpse.
That's serious.
Yes, she's alive.
Hi. Thank God I'm alive to see this day. You are welcome, my daughter.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi.
I said, you are still afraid. I said, she's alive. My sister's daughter, my niece, is alive.
Yes.
Hi. Thank God.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jesus.
But right now, I'll have to
You
go.
want to eat?
Now, I need to go and look for Pedro.
Huh? Eat now.
Now that he's in Nigeria, I want him to help me recover my money from Cleopatra. Yes. He's the only one that can do this. I need to go look for him. Is there any classic bar in this village?
Oh, yes, there's a bar in town, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll look for it. Thank you very much. Oh, Dede, I'll be back. Please. Let me go and look for him. Yes.
Come back quick, oh. Have you eaten?
Let me go with you now.
This is wonderful. Dede, are we dreaming?
We are not dreaming at all. Eh? You know, we did not open the cups that the mortician showed us. Eh? Ha! Thank God we did not hire any boss.
Oh, yes.
Eh? It would have been an exercise in futility.
In fact, this calls for celebration.
You are very correct.
Get us something
I
less
think I
merry.
still have a bottle of snack.
I trust you. Please, be fast. She's still alive.
Pedro! Is that you?
Amanda!
Pedro! Pedro! Oh my God!
You alive?
Yes!
Amanda!
I'm alive! I'm alive,
You alive?
Pedro!
Please sit down, sit down.
Yes, I'm alive. I'm okay. Look at you. When did you come to Nigeria?
I came to Nigeria the same day you went to your village. Amanda.
You went to Cleopatra's place.
I actually went to Cleopatra's place to look for you and I heard you were locked up.
Cleopatra paid someone to poison me.
Really?
But the person she paid someone else. And the rest is history. You know, I just want her to pay me back the money she owed me.
How much is she owing you?
Cleopatra is owing me over 60 million naira.
Wow.
That's in Naira equivalent.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I got some money from her with an original gold.
Really? I just want her to pay me my money, that's just it. Yeah, just pay me.
And how do you want to do that?
She's going to pay back. She's going to pay back to allow my mother die Richard.
The emotions, oh, you a betrayer. You must settle me. Hey, fight to fight. War to war, I must give it to you. Anyhow you want to, I am ready for you. You must pay me my money. You must settle me.
My name is Chimamanda. I am here to tell you girls the truth. Cleopatra lied to you girls. There is no job waiting for you girls in Europe rather than prostitution. Listen, you know the worst parts. Some of you may even end up in Syria or Oman as slaves.
We are not going to Syria or Oman. We are going to Europe.
I know this is hard to believe, but tell me, what part of Europe is she taking you girls to?
It's none of your business.
I'm here to tell you girls the truth. I won't allow you girls ruin your lives. Those who have walked through their paths are regretting their lives today. I am a victim of that. Think of the reason I came here. I used to be best friends with Cleopatra. Yes. She made me sell our father's land, abandoned my sick mom, and traveled with her to Europe, with the hope that she already got me a job. When I got to Europe, I suffered. I worked day, night, during summer, during winter, the cold nights, sleeping with different men just to make money. I can see none of you is ready to listen to my own part of the story, but I won't allow her use you girls the way she used me. I won't allow her ruin your lives. But since you don't want to listen to me, I'll take my leave.
Thank you.
She's just jealous.
Imagine. Oh. But come to think of it, what she's saying, baby.
Shut up!
I beg you.
Why are you girls behaving
No,
like
go
this?
Europe.
Calm down.
Please go if you don't want to go. Go. I beg, get out. Leave this place. I beg.
Hey, there. Put your hands on your head. And move it. Hey, move. Move it. Move. Now, move.
My daughter, I really don't know where to start from. The truth is that I did not play my role very well as an uncle. And I went ahead to believe everything that they told me about you, hook, line, and sinker. It is regrettable.
It's okay, Uncle. I've forgiven you already. Yes.
You have forgiven me?
Yes, Uncle.
Thank you.
The reason I came is for us to discuss about my mother's funeral. I wanted to hold this coming Saturday. Yes.
But why not put it off till next weekend?
No. I'm traveling with Pedro. And I want to do this in a very big way. Yes, Uncle.
It's all right. You can go on, and then we have to start making every arrangement. But one thing is very important. You have to inform your father's people.
Oh, that's... Don't worry, I've done that already. And they
You've done that?
accepted. Yes.
That's my niece. I thought you had forgotten about our culture all this while you were there.
No, I can't.
You start doing the running around.
It's okay. I'll take my leave then.
I'm very happy that you have forgiven me.
It's okay.
I'm very, very happy.
It's fine.
Amanda, please. Please, I'm very sorry for everything.
Okay.
I'm very sorry for everything. I'm deeply sorry. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me, please.
Okay, it's fine. I forgive you already.
Oh, Amanda, I know you're just saying it's okay, but please, I'm really sorry. If you don't forgive me, I will remain with this guilt forever.
Doze, it's fine. I've forgiven you already.
Uncle, please help me talk to Amanda, please. I'm sorry.
Uncle
Me?
Peter,
You want me to help you and talk to her? And you have forgotten how you came here with tipper load of rumor against her. You want me to help you and talk to her?
Uncle.
Oh, those here?
Uncle, have you heard the latest?
You heard what?
Amanda is now doing prostitution in Obodo Ibo.
Those here, who told you?
Cleopatra told me everything. To the extent that the money she made, she married a white man, an old white man.
Amanda, my niece, married an old white man?
Married an old white man and swore never to come back to this country again. That the only time we are going to see her is when her mother dies. That we are not going to see her again.
Hi. My sister has suffered. After all this my sister went through in order to raise Amanda.
Is it only your sister, Uncle? Have you forgotten me? Everything I did for Amanda. Oh my God.
I'm talking about my sister because they say self-preservation is the first law in nature. I'm talking about my sister. After all she did to raise this girl, this is the way she's paying her back. Hi.
Unbelievable.
Chimamanda.
I can't even think that Anyway, I just said to come and tell you because maybe you've not heard. Let me just go and know where to just think of my life. Because it's obvious that my life has finished like this. I said, I'm going.
If you hear a fresh thing, let me know. How I wish this is not true.
Dozie, my son. Dozie. I feel your pains, but you know there's nothing I can do. I don't have anything left. Dozie, okay, please. The only valuable I have now is that goat. Take it. When it delivers, you can sell it and keep your money.
Mama is talking about goats. Which one is goats, Mama? Will goats pay back millions of naira that I borrowed? I'm not talking of goats, Mama. I'm not having rest of mind as it stands now. These people are on my neck. They're even threatening to kill me. I don't sleep at home anymore. It's gone that bad now. It's not goats matter.
They will not kill you, my son.
I just don't know what to do now. Like, I don't know where to go, how to go about this thing now.
Amanda, where are you? Amanda.
Uncle, what is it? What's the problem?
It's the same money now. Those people are threatening to kill me if I don't pay back. They've been chasing me everywhere in this village. It's the same money thing. I don't know what to do again. I'm not even talking about my mother who is telling me all the time to bring back the money of the land I sold. Like, I'm so restless now. I don't know.
But I have told you, we will pay you the money. Only have a little patience.
It's not we will, Uncle. It's not we will. Those people, they don't want to hear we will. They don't want to know anything. All they want is their money. It's their money. Hey. I wish I just have this money. I will give them back.
All right. Since it has now become a matter of life and death, follow me. Let me see what I can do. Please, let's just know what we can do. Let's know what we can. Mama, I'll see you back.
Hey! Amanda! Amanda, where are you? Hey!
Betrayal of trust and friendship is painful. You have seen that being too nice can be dangerous sometimes. Oh, but don't lose hope. If ever tomorrow go better. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. If ever tomorrow go better. Don't lose hope. I can't.
Dozier, my son, the good book says, blessed are peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. To tell you the truth, as it is now, from pecuniary point of view, my hands are tired. There is no money in this house. The reason I have just done what I did is to save a situation whereby we will start fighting for life. You see that my sister, she's highly hypertensive. Had you gone further to argue with her there, she would have collapsed. And then we start talking about how to resuscitate her instead of the money. Like I told you earlier, when I sell my yam, I will give you some money.
Uncle, so you brought me here now to speak all this English for me.
So you didn't hear this thing I said?
No. That's the thing now. You brought me all to speak resuscitate for me.
Yes.
Uncle, is he good?
Just to save life.
Is he good? Is he good? Is he good?
Okay.
No problems.
Dozier, I want us to save life. Eh? Dozier, please don't go back to that hypertensive woman. Hey. Chimamanda.
I thought my brother asked you to follow him.
I wanted to save a dog from a trap. And I ended up in the trap. Is he good? Did I do anything bad? Amanda has taught me how to be wicked. Hi. She's happy now. Wherever she is, she's very happy. I'm passing through all these things alone. It's fine, no. I will not say much. It's fine. It's fine, no. It's fine. I'm going.
Hey! Amanda, where are you? What kind of shame is this? What have I gone through? Anybody talks to me anyhow, I'm left with nothing. Where are you, Amanda? Is this what you promised us? God, please.
On the wall.
Hey! What is happening? What is happening to me? Amanda! morning, Daddy.
Good morning. Where are you going to this early?
I want to see if I can find someone to buy these remaining wrappers of mine so I can raise money and pay Dozier. I don't want him to strangle me in my sleep.
Jesus Christ. Has it gotten up to that level? Huh? To the best of my knowledge, you have sold almost all your cloth. Do you want to risk going naked? Or you haven't thought it that way?
My brother, there's actually nothing left. Is it not better I go naked than risk being disgraced as a debtor? You understand everything, so I won't say you did not understand. Let me be going.
I don't know what to say. Let God take control of the situation. But how can Dozie all of a sudden become a boogaboo to this poor woman?
Good morning, sir.
Please hold that your greeting. I say hold that your greeting. Where is my money? You send your daughter away so that she cannot marry me. As we discussed.
No, Akidi, I didn't send her away. She will soon come back.
Okay, where is my money?
She will pay you once she's back. She will pay you everything, even more.
Okay, even if it returns in 10 years' time, I have to wait for my money. Yeah?
Hi, 10 years. No. She will soon come back.
You know, I don't play with my money. It seems that you have forgotten my name. I am Ego the Noble One. I don't play with money. Eh? What is this you are holding?
These are my remaining wrappers. I want to sell them so as to buy something to eat. Ooh. Just food.
Just food. So you want to sell them so that you can find something to eat. Have you asked if the one you owe has eaten? Hey! I don't know why people are very wicked. That is why I hate helping people. You owe me, I want to sell your clothes and eat first.
Just for food.
Food. I don't play with money. Where is my money?
Please, she will pay you once she...
Let me have this thing. Let me hold this first. Once my money is available.
I get it, please.
What are you doing here? And you are even crying. Tell me, what is it?
Akide saw me on the way to the market and collected the clothes from me.
Okay. It's alright. Good thing that I collected some money from Nze. Take it. Go to the market and look for something to cook. Take it. Stop crying.
Thank you, my brother. What would I have done without you? Thank you.
It's all right. It's all right. Don't waste time. Go to the market. Go and look for something to eat. Huh? Go. Stop crying. Huh?
Thank you.
Go. Don't allow any other person to see these tears. Clean them well. Huh? If you have a song, be singing it and go. Why should she be passing through all this? This is too much. And it's weighing her down. Huh? Chimamanda. Huh? How could you have forgotten what your mother passed through to enable you go there? Huh? Chimamanda. You shouldn't forget your mother, as a matter of fact. You went ahead telling everybody that Amanda abandoned my sister, her mother, and that she is doing prostitution in Obodo Yibo.
No, Uncle, I didn't tell everybody. I only told you my mother and her mother. I didn't tell anybody. Please, I'm sorry. I've realized my mistakes. Please.
Oh,
please, I'm very sorry, Amanda. Please.
Okay. So now you have realized your mistake because you have been jettisoned by Cleopatra? Eh? What a behavioral transmogrification.
Please, I didn't mean to transmogrify. Amanda.
Uncle, don't even come close to me.
Amanda.
Don't.
Where has this goat gone? Where is this goat bleating from?
Well, let me help you and look for it, Uncle.
You are the goat I'm looking for. I've been hearing this bleating. Huh?
Me?
You are the goat. I didn't hear the neighing of a horse. It's a goat that is bleeding. Huh? Leave my house.
My son, look at you. Eh?
Easy.
What did they say to you? Eh? God will punish that girl. Eh? God will never allow that girl to have peace in her life. Eh? Hey! Look at what she did to my son. Sorry, son. Eh?
Mama,
she will not have peace until she dies. What kind of wicked woman is she? Look at what she did to my son. I am very, very angry. Very, very angry right now. Sorry. Sorry. I know it's hot. Sorry, okay? Sorry. Oh.
It's okay.
What is wrong with you now?
She doesn't care at all. If it's a royal corner, what a greedy woman be. What is
Don, please, don't kill me, please.
But I told you severally that I don't forgive.
Give me a second chance. I'll get it. I'll make things right. You know how we started, please.
Did I hear you say second chance?
Yes. I'll get it back. I'll make things right. I'm a good girl, Don, you know. I've done everything to make you happy. I'll work this out.
Oh, have you forgotten I'm an ungrateful human being? I'm heartless.
I don't know. I know.
And that is who I am.
I'm a good girl. Just one more chance.
It's too late for me to change.
thinking of hiding from Dombi. It's too late to hide from him.
We are one. We're in this together. We're pals. Sometimes we need to cover up for each other. Please, I'll give you money. Please.
Now listen to me. I am under an oath to bring you to Dombi, dead or alive. So you see, at this moment, your money is useless.
Rula, you know you also slept with his wife. You slept with his wife and we covered for you.
Oh yes, I did. But a sinner cannot save a sinner. Put your hands on your head. Turn around. You see, at this point, your money is useless.
Oh, don't be.
You thought you could run away from Dombi.
No, Dad, I wasn't running away.
Nobody hides from me. Nobody runs away from me.
Don, I'm looking for it. It's in my house.
Now listen. Are you ready to settle this score now?
Please, I'll go back to my house and look for it. I'm sure it's in the closet. I'll look for it, please.
Dash. The same house you swore me that you never see the ring.
Please. Please. I'll go back and look for it. I'll check everywhere.
The same house you swore you did not see the ring.
I want to check again, just to be sure.
Nonsense. A little tortoise wants to play on my intelligence.
Couldn't find it. Boss, she asked me to betray you with 1 million naira.
Really? Cleopatra. Just have it in mind that you are owing me a lot.
Yes, my boss. Please. I'm going to make amends. Just let me see Amanda. I'll get the ring back.
We are not talking about the ring, idiot. You have my money and you did not provide the girls. Do you think I am stupid?
No, boss. You're not stupid like that. The policemen came and raided the warehouse. I got there and I heard they raided the warehouse and took the girls away. I'll bail them out.
I will kill you. I want the document of this house.
Yes, you can get them. I'll get them, please.
Well, go in with me.
Slowly.
Next time, you don't mess up with me and my business.
Oh. Don't. I'll make amends. Oh!
Boss, you're pointing the gun at me.
Yes, of course. 2 more bullets on your chest for sleeping with my wife. You think I did not hear her say it?
Boss, I can explain.
Explain?
It's not true.
You do.
Drop your weapon now. Drop your weapon now.
And if I don't, what will happen?
I said drop your weapon now.
Orphan.
Call the ambulance.
Okay. Latest story in town. This one go sweet you.
Uka, what is the news all about again?
Okay. Cleopatra has been arrested. As we speak now, she's in the police net.
I heard she was arrested for human trafficking and other drug crimes. Hey. Whatever. Oh my God! Hey. Please, which police station did they take her to now? I don't understand. What do you want to do? You want to go and bear her? Uka, she's my sister. She's still my sister. Okay, I will advise you, don't even think of going there because they will also arrest you as her accomplice. Respect yourself. Which one is this? She's my sister. She's my sister. Please, Uka, I have to go. I have to go and bail her, please. Tell me the police station. What is your own? You don't like yourself. Oh, okay, for your information, the police said nobody is allowed to see her until they take her to court. I will advise you, just go home, rest, mourn your wife in peace. Let her sort her miserable self out. Hey, Cleo. Hey, how is your wound? Yes, I'm getting better. Oh, sorry, Oh, thank you. Let me continue my journey. All right, Uka, thank you. Hey, Cleo. Hey.
Anything she's going to eat will come from us.
All right.
Don't forget, no one is allowed to visit her until she goes to court.
All right.
Okay?
All right.
I want to go. I want to go to court. I want to go home. Oh, definitely you go to court. It's a must. You think human trafficking is a small case? Huh? You are in for a big one. Doctor, put an eye on her. She's very crafty.
I'm trying. All right.
I will leave you now. Put an eye on her. All right?
I'll do that.
Okay.
Please, I'll give you $1 million.
I'll help you.
Thank you.
But that will be in court. I'm also a police officer. I think you know this.
When nobody seemed ready to believe her, let alone fighting for her. And I later found out that all your actions was not all about what you gave her to keep for you, but about the milk of human kindness in you. You see, that singular behavior of yours is quite supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. So thank you very much, Pedro. Thank you. Again, I say thank you.
You're always welcome, sir. You're always welcome. You see Amanda here? Words cannot explain the kind of heart she has.
Oh.
She has a perfect and pure heart.